Good morning, everyone. Before starting the class, I would like to quote a fabulous thought that is, a teacher's life lights many lamps. A teacher's life lights many lamps. So, let's start the class, friend. In this video, I am going to teach how can we change simple past direct sentence into indirect. Before explaining sentence, I would like to say you have to learn a concept while converting simple past direct sentence into indirect. It becomes past perfect tense. Simple past becomes past perfect tense. So friend, we can understand with the help of example. He said to me, comma, inverted comma start, Ria cleared the exam. In this, while converting indirect sentence, said to becomes told. Said to becomes told me. While eradicating comma and inverted comma, we have to put that in the place of comma. We may use either that or comma in the place of comma and inverted comma, but we can't use that and comma together. Ria had. We are using had because this is a tense of past perfect, and the identification of past perfect we have to use helping verb had, and we have to use third form of the main verb. Rest part remain same. So we have changed simple past into past perfect while converting direct to indirect sentence. So friend, come on, next sentence. This is a sentence of command. In this sentence, one gives a command or one gives a order. Someone. Direct sentence. Tom said to Ria, comma, inverted comma, start, go away. In this sentence, Tom ordered Ria to go away. Right? So this is a kind of order. While converting direct to indirect, said to becomes order because in this sentence one is giving order. Command. Ria, while eradicating comma and inverted comma, we have to put to, preposition to, and it becomes a kind of infinitive. Right friend, it becomes a infinitive, but here we have to remember that eradicating comma and inverted comma, we have to put preposition to in the place of comma and inverted comma in the sentence of command, and remaining part will remain same. So next example regarding command. The captain said to his man, comma, inverted comma, start, stand at ease. In this sentence, obviously friend, a captain gives order his men. Captain doesn't request and doesn't say. He command and he gives order his men. In this sentence, captain, and in army we use command. This is a good word for army. So here the captain commanded his man to stand at ease. Friend, this is sentence of order, that's why we are using to in the place of comma and inverted comma. If this sentence simple, so we use that in the place of comma and inverted comma, but in this sentence captain is giving order and this is sentence of command order, that's why we are putting preposition to in the place of comma and inverted comma. Rest part remains same. Here this is a stand at ease. It is a phrase. Friend, I will tell you the meaning at the end of this video. So sorry friend, I had to go some for a work. It was important. So let's start. So we are doing the sentence captain. Here we have to, this is a sentence of command. So in this sentence we have to eradicate comma, inverted comma, put preposition to in the place of comma, inverted comma, because this is a sentence of command. So next, this is a sentence of request, right? He said to him, comma, inverted comma, start, please wait here till I return. Please indicates this is a sentence of request. In this sentence someone is requesting. So while converting indirect, so let's see, he requested him to, we have to remove comma and inverted comma and please. We have to eradicate comma, inverted comma and please, and put preposition to in the place of comma, inverted comma and please. To wait there till he return. Why do we remove please? Because here we are using request, right? We can't use request and please altogether because both meaning are same. Both indicate same word. So that's why we can't use please and requested in a single sentence. So in this sentence friend, again we have to put preposition to, eradicating comma and inverted comma and please. So this is a one thing here friend. While converting direct to indirect, here becomes there. I have explained in my previous video. If you didn't watch, you may watch there. While converting direct and indirect, here becomes there, here becomes there. Friend, here we are using he because if this is a first person pronoun, while converting direct to indirect, I converts according to subject of the reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb is he, that's why we will use he, because this is a, so that's why we are using he. Friend, again I am telling, I converts according to subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb is he, that's why we will use he. Returned. Friend, till he returned. We are using second part of the returned. Why? Because this is a sentence of simple tense. This is a sentence of present indefinite. While converting direct to indirect, simple past present becomes simple past. So this is a sentence of simple past, because in simple past we are supposed to use the second verb of the main verb. That's why friend, here using returned. Here it is returned and here it becomes returned, right? Because we are converting present simple past, simple present to simple past. I hope friend you have understand. Next is exclamation. The farmer said, comma, inverted comma, start, God, I am undone. Exclamation, it is a kind of wonder, right? Friend, it is a kind of wonder. The farmer said, comma, inverted comma, start, God, I am undone. I will tell you what is meaning of undone and I will tell you synonym of this particular sentence in the end of the video. The farmer exclaimed. Set becomes exclaimed because in this sentence, because this is sentence of exclamation sentence. So that's why set converts into exclaimed. Sadly, that he was undone. Friend, I have already told he because here subject is I, and while converting direct to indirect, I converts according to subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb is a farmer and it is a masculine gender, so that's why we are using he, because I is a first person pronoun, so that's why we have to put here he pronoun, that is he. Was undone, right? Because friend, while converting direct to indirect, am converts into was. Am becomes was. That's why we are using was. I hope friend you have done. Now next, wishes. The parents, this is a sentence of wishes. The parents said comma noted comma start, bro you have done well. The parents, the is indicating the particular parents. It is a pointing out the parents applauded him. Friend, this is a wishes, so we can use applauded. In wishes sentence, said converts into applauded him, saying that he had done well. Friend, we have to eradicate comma and inverted comma, put that in the place of comma and inverted comma, and he have becomes had, because in this, while converting direct to indirect, have becomes had. So that's why we are using had in the place of have, because this is sentence of present perfect. So while converting into indirect, present perfect becomes a past perfect. So this is the sentence of past perfect. So here we have to use third form of the verb, because have, has, had comes, all these auxiliary verb follow third verb, main verb, third form of the main verb. So friend, we have done all examples. I hope you have understand. So here I am going to explain something. Standard is, the meaning of standard is means आराम से खड़े रहो या आराम से खड़े हो. We can use it as capital of ease, capital of ease. Undone means destroyed or gone, ruinous, extinct means बर्बाद या नष्ट होना. So this is a synonym of the undone. You may learn it, because this is a very important competitive exam point of view. So here we have done the things: simple past, command sentence, request, exclamation sentence, and wishes. And we have see some words and their synonyms. So friend, thank you so much watching this video, and stay happy, keep smiling, never give up. Thank you so much.